I am Michael. I'm the owner of Cwrw. So we are a 150 cap music venue pub in the middle of Carmarthenshire. The opportunities that Cwrw provides for young people is a platform or stepping stone to get into the music industry. So we provide experience with sound technicians. We provide with promotion, actual stage behind me where young people can come and experience a crowd with the first gigs or a touring gig. So these quite a few opportunities in which we lend our facilities to for young people. So the benefits are that we are ideally located for the surrounding areas for young people to come in and actually continue to create that community and that creativity. So which Carmarthenshire or Carmarthen is actually the focal point, and Cwrw offers a space for that to happen. The venue as a whole then can provide a stepping stone for people to go into the creative sector and potentially jobs in the future. I think the main skill you need to be successful in the sector is the passion. Passion and work ethic is basically the only two things you need, because you can learn the technical sides along the way, and even the top people who have been in the industry for years still slip up and make mistakes, and they still learn every day. And I do think, like, being in Wales and settling in Wales, we should really learn the Welsh language. It's only right, isn't it, really? That's why I named it Cwrw and not beer. So Cwrw has got a lot of things in the pipeline. So at the minute we're developing rehearsal, recording and podcast studios upstairs. Also we are continuing to book gigs, and we've got some really big names coming up later in the year and early next year, which is quite exciting. We've got lots more Welsh language music, and we hope to develop that even further. So we're getting that developed on Little Water Street as a mural of famous people from Carmarthen who have got a relationship with this building over the years, and the artists who have come through, like Adwaith, Rod Gilbert will be up there, and Ellis James, and it'll just celebrate the creative people who have come from Carmarthen, got a connection to the building, and to also highlight the Welsh culture as well, and Welsh heritage, and use as a focal point for people in Carmarthen and tourists and the wider areas to come and enjoy what Carmarthen has to offer.